Hey everyone, it's Miss Baxter and I'm going to be back with your writing lesson for today. So for today's writing, we're going to be working on session 17. And this session is all about how-to books make wonderful gifts. What I want you to think about today is who you could give your how-to book to. So it says, down here where it says teaching point right here, it says writers. Today I want to teach you that how-to books make amazing gifts. Writers often write books for people they care about or for people they would like to teach. Writers often write dedications for those people to let everybody know who the book was really written for. So I want you to think about who you could write your book to. So if we look on the next slide, it says, oops, let me move this real quick. We want to remember what a how-to book is. When we are doing our how-to writing, we need to tell what to do in steps, we need to number the steps, and we need to have a picture for each step. When we are teaching somebody how to do something, we need to make sure we include every important detail so that the person knows how to do that. If you look over here at what's called a checklist, it says, I taught my readers about a topic. So maybe you're going to write about how to make your bed, how to play soccer, something that you know how to teach somebody. And then you're going to make sure that you're writing on different pages. So step 1 would be on one page, step 2 would be on another page, and then step 3 would be on your last page. Also, you need to make sure that you have pictures so that the person understands what you are writing about. The last thing I want to talk to you about is right here, the dedication. So when you're writing your how-to book today, I want you to think about who you could give your book to. Maybe you want to give it to your mom. Maybe you want to give it to your dad. Maybe you want to give it to your sister. You can write your dedication on any sheet of paper that you have at home. At the top of your paper, you're going to write this word right here, and it says dedication. Let's say that together. Dedication, that's right. So then on the line, you're going to say, I want to give this book to, and then you're going to tell me who you want to give it to. Your teachers cannot wait to read and see who you're going to give your writing to. Good luck today, and I'll be back with another video.